Remains 9 minutes till showtime.
Introducing the world's most famous lion tamer, Clyde Lionheart.
Popcorn, fresh popcorn.
The snack
Now,
bar.
Clyde Lionheart will have Leo jump through the flaming circle while he, blindfolded, drinks a Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola, ice cold Coca-Cola at the snack bar.
You have 8 minutes to visit the snack bar.
Hey, Mom. Yes, you. Why fuss and fret about dinner? Why not have it right here? Yes, this drive-in offers everyone in the family a real picnic treat for dinner. We've got delicious sandwiches with all the trimmings and your other dinner favorites, plus whatever you want to drink, hot or cold. Come early before the show starts, or eat while you're being entertained, or at intermission time. So why fuss? Give your family a tasty dinner at this drive-in.
Our foods are fresh and tasty, our drinks satisfying and refreshing. They're so good.
The show begins in just 7 minutes.
Delicious food, eat some every day. Oh, we ride in the rodeo, roping steers and busting broncos, and we haven't had a bite to eat since dawn. We are hungry and we're dragging, but here comes the old junk wagon with the fiddles that we long for. Bring her on!
Now, I'm the U.S. Marshal. The soft drinks I am partial.
And this popcorn's good.
My gosh, I say it be. Me like 'em, lick 'em, ice cream, and this ice cream, very nice cream.
You buy 'em, and you try 'em, and you see. Now it's time for intermission, so let's all hit the trail and gather round the sweet bar where these goodies are on sale.
What I get from the refreshment counter. Oh boy, popcorn and hot dogs and ice cream and oh boy, sparkling ice cold Coca-Cola. Oh boy, that tastes good. Have you been to the refreshment counter?
Remember, your favorite snack will taste especially good with world-famous ice-cold Coca-Cola.
How many minutes till showtime? Just 6.
All kinds of candy. Sparkling soft drinks. Steaming hot coffee. Steamed or grilled hot dogs. Crispy hot fresh French fries.
Just 5 minutes before showtime.
flick is making me hungry.
I know what you mean. So why don't you pick up some goodies at the refreshment stand sometime?
And what is your heart's desire?
Everything.
That could be hard to carry.
It doesn't bother Flick Man.
He's just make-believe.
Soft drinks, candy, buttered popcorn. They're not make-believe.
Be back in a flick of a bick.
Better hurry before some strange lighter sits down next to me.
Get your favorite taste treat at the snack bar now. Just 4 minutes till showtime.
How do you like your pizza? Gobbled? Nibbled? Two-fisted style. You like ours best anyway. A crisp, delicate crust, topped with our own special nippy tomato sauce, seasoned just the way you like it, and lots of golden Italian cheese melted right in. Delicious, and on sale now at the Refreshment Center. Pizza, piping hot and tangy. How about some right now?
Time, folks. That means it's time for a tasty snack. How about a stroll over to the refreshment counter for a delicious bite to eat? You don't have to worry about missing any part of the show because our announcer will let you know 3 minutes before the show starts again. See you over at the refreshment counter.
Say, the show starts in just 3 minutes.
Still 3 minutes to... You can easily make it for something that... How about it? Don't waste a second of refreshment time. You'll find such an appetizing assortment of refreshments at the snack bar, you won't be able to decide what to ask for first. All of your snack bar favorites are there, including fresh peanuts, hot popcorn, and candy of all kinds. And believe us, you've never eaten better hot dogs, crisper French fries, or more delicious buttered popcorn. Time. No crowds to buck, just go get it. You'll be sorry you missed your chance to enjoy some of the many tempting goodies waiting for you. Stretch your legs now while the stretching's good. There's still time to get a mouth-watering hot dog, a sparkling ice-cold soda, assorted flavors of ice cream, all kinds of candy, the most delicious steaming hot coffee you ever drank, and freshly popped popcorn piping hot. Make a beeline for the snack bar right now to quench your thirst and enjoy a tasty tidbit. You'll surely find something that will appeal to you.
There's just 2 minutes till showtime. Before the show begins.
The management of this theater thanks you for your patronage.
Settle back now, content, comfortable, well-fed, and ready for some fine entertainment. Is everybody happy? Then let's go. It's showtime.